Alright, so today I'm putting these QS8 connectors on these 9500 mAh 6S Cnhls that come with 8mm bullets. It'll be going in this 5th scale FG. Both batteries for a combination of 12S, 2 6S in series running an MGM setup. Put a little flux on here to help. Tin the tip. These 8-gauge wires are going to take a lot of heat to get them to disconnect. Alright, we're going to put our connector on. I'm going to find the negative side. A helping hand. Get some flux on both of them. So we could tin them. Did you get those tinned? So now what I'm gonna do is I plugged my battery lead in here. Anytime you put this much heat in it, it'll distort the connectors, so you want to use 2 connectors together to kind of hold it together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little flux in there to help out with the soldering, makes it easier. And then once we get enough heat in there, the solder will soak into the wire and the connector together. Alright, so now we're gonna put some flux on this one. Tin the tip a little bit. Requires a lot of heat for these big connectors, these big wires. I'm gonna put some flux on here, some flux on the wire, where we can tin them both. This third hand comes in really handy when you're doing this type of work. Don't forget to put your connector on. Don't forget to make sure you're putting it to the positive. Then once that's done, don't forget to put your connector on. Push it all the way on and it clips in space. You're done. Then once I finish them up, black to negative, red to positive, I like to do a yank test. Make sure they're on there real good, they ain't gonna fall off. Alright, so there you go. Now I got my Cnhl batteries soldered up with the Qs8 connectors. And I'll be running these in my boat and my 5th scale Porsche. So if you like the content, subscribe and like the channel. I'll be able to bring you guys some more content soon. I like to store these inside these lipo safe bags just in case, be safe. These batteries hold a lot of power, so you want to be real careful with them.